Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing a February plan with me. We're going to be using it with a workout kit. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. If you're also new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video. Make sure you also hit the like button so that way if you like digital plan with me, so that way YouTube knows that you like this video. Let's get to planning. Okay, so here is our workout video for the month of February. We're going to use workout video, or workout kit, not video. We have our scripture right there. We have to do, our prayer list, our washi tape. We have the week cover up. We have our icons, our emotions, our weather, words, some words there, our weekend. We have our date covers, some fun decorative stickers, some icons, and some scripture. So that is our kit that we're going to use. And I like to use the Elements collection. So we're going to use that little box. I might have done that too fast. Let's show you again. This little box right here, tap it. It opens it up in a new screen. There's a little line here. You can hold it and slide it over, and that'll give you 3. And if you use your fingers and pinch in, that's going to make your screen smaller, or if you pinch out, it makes your screen close in. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start with the week covers. There they are. And I'm just tapping, holding until it pops up, and then sliding it over. And those were out of order for some reason, so that's why I had to all right, again, I'm going to pinch in. Now, when I'm using this, it's going to come up with the Elements tool, but I like to use the photo tool because you have more control. Chose to do a workout kit because I'm trying to lose some weight, so I thought maybe other people were too. So that's why I chose to make a workout kit for this month. We're not going to be doing as many of the holidays because I think we have a bunch of holidays already in the shop. So we're going to try to do some different things this year instead of just all the holidays. So that's why instead of doing a Valentine's thing for February, that's why I chose the workout. All right, we have this blank. Okay, so I'm going to show you. See how this only has the one control for the Elements tool, and it's going to come in. It's coming in crooked. As you can see, it's on an angle. So when you touch your photo tool and tap it, see you've got all these extra controls. And you can lock it in easier. Okay, we have that. And then up here, I'm going to do that again, go in and use my photo. All right, do we have any? Yes, we do. We have a no school. I'm going to use this gray. That is on the 17th. There's no school. Do it up a little differently this time. Usually I use the boxes, but today we're going to try this, see how this looks. And that's for President's Day. You know, that's not really going to stand out much. So we're going to lasso it, tap it, and we're going to do color. The screen's going to pop up, and I'm going to do white. Even though you can't see it well right there. There we go. I think you can see that better now than the black. Do we have any other? No, we don't. No more days off. Okay. We're going to go ahead and find my scale because I have been, oh, I think it was just right there. Yep, there it is. Move it. Sometimes it hides some, so crazy GoodNotes, crazy GoodNotes. Okay, we're going to copy and paste. I think actually what I'm going to do is just stick it right there on that day that doesn't have anything. We're going to do that. Okay, now we'll go in and start our Sundays. Sunday is church day, so we need our church. And a planner day. I like to plan my week out on Sundays so that way it's ready and prepared. And we also have to take our trash out on Sundays. Okay, we're going to lasso it, tap copy, and paste. If you paste and match style, it keeps it the same style. Okay, now I have, all right, you know what? I am going to do this. We're going to lasso all this. We're going to resize. I'm going to make it just so it fits up here at the top. Because I like to do my coffee chat. And I'm going to use this one here. And I forgot to check to see what color my coffee cup is. Oh, good, it's gray. I'll make him a little bit bigger. Okay, tap the text tool. Coffee, chat. Not that. You scribble it out, it will scribble it out for you. Coffee, chat. Fit that in. Go to my lasso tool, lasso, copy. President's Day, I'm sure we will still have a coffee chat that day, so that's why that doesn't matter. Tuesdays, I don't have anything going on. Wednesdays is Bible study. Lasso, copy, paste. All right, Thursdays. Our last Thursday of the month is always our digital planning meetup. If you don't know what our digital planning meetup is, it's where we meet once a month for 1 hour and we get our planners ready. We chat about, you know, just about anything digital planning, have some chatting time, and then we get our planners ready for the next month, which is so important to have that already taken care of. And then we also, you also will receive the digital devotional for that month. You'll also receive the digital sticker for that month. And you'll get an exclusive sticker that is only available for the Digital Planning Meetup members, that it will be for that month. And once that month's over, that digital sticker goes away and is never to be sold or anything again. So it's exclusive, very exclusive for the Digital Planning Meetup community. We have a dentist appointment at 3 o'clock. My kids and I put in our paydays. We need our weekend sticker. So if you have any questions about the digital planning meetup or anything like that, please leave it in the comments, or and I'll be happy to answer any questions. And I would love to see you join us. We would love to have you. It is a fun community, and it's super sweet group of ladies. Do I want to put... No, I'm going to leave that. We'll just put them on those 3. Okay, let's see. What else do we have going on this month? We have Valentine's Day, which, like I said, I did not do a sticker set. And if you want one of those, I have plenty of them available inside the shop. Oops. All right, I want to color custom. I want to grab this color right there and do that. That way it matches my sticker kit. And let's see, what else do we want? It's Groundhog Day on the 2nd. I think I'm going to leave that out though. No. Yeah, we're going to leave that out. It's already kind of full. All right, let's start decorating. Wait, first we need prayer list. And to-do list. My list, gotta have my list. And a scripture. I want to use a scripture. Let's see. Let's do this guy right here. And then we've got our decorative pieces up here. And there they popped away. Let's pull it open. All right, let's see. I'm going to put this one here. Could have used this one for my scale up there. Yeah, it'll be all right. We already got the other one there. Stick that there. Slide that back over. Let's see, is there anything else? You know what? I don't have a family time up here. There we go. Family time. And I think that's, you know what, that guy there looks a little bare. Let's put let your light shine right there. And I'm going to put Jesus as my rock. I don't know why they look a little bare today to me. So we're going to put some scriptures in those holes. Okay, so there is our February plan with me with the workout kit. I will leave the link for the workout kit in the description below and for the digital planning meetup. And I hope to see you in the next video. I hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye for now.